guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I gotta tell you, I did an experiment with a pearl pour that has a thick base with a thin coat on top. I tried it and tried it and tried it, and I could not get it down. But there is an artist out there, I'll link her channel, and you can go to her channel and see if you can do it. I ended up with like 2 of these of drips because I just couldn't get it. But also, I'm so tired of cleaning all of my paint supplies, so I got these off of Amazon, and they're little cups. Now I've got to figure out how to mix the paints in here to consistency, but these little lids that I get off of my other things fit right on here. So I'm thinking this might be a nice alternative because I like silicone. It's so much easier to clean. So I'll link that in the description as well. So these are my colors tonight. I have Charvin Indigo mixed with Lucas Krill Prussian Blue, Gail's favorite, Gail Burstyn, and she has a mixing video on how to do these open cups. I haven't done an open cut in so long. I don't know if I have the consistencies right, but if I don't, please head over to her channel and check out her mixing video. It's excellent. This is her favorite copper. It's Sargent Acrylic Metallic in copper. I also have Golden Iridescent Pearl Fine, Amsterdam Permanent Violet Red, Pebeo Studio Acrylics in Iridescent Precious Gold, Pebeo Studio Acrylics in Iridescent Green Yellow, and Liquitex Basics in Dioxazine Purple. So let's see where these colors will bring us. And I am going to use that leftover paint as the base because I can't waste it. It has a lot of Artist Loft pouring medium in it, and I have souped it up with a lot of the Floetrol as well. So we have a 12 by 36 inch canvas this evening. I am going to get started. So this takes 20 ounces of paint. There's 24 ounces of paint in here. I'm going to put down my base, which is this lovely color. I kind of doctored it up a little bit. So I'm going to start with a darker color. I'm going to pour from up high, and I'm just pinching and I'm pouring it in. And then I'm going to go with a little bit of the pearl. May as well put them right here, eh? Keep them. Then I'm going to go with the green. And then the gold. not exactly what I was going for. Yeah, I'm gonna try and pour over here. I don't know if it's allowed. Maybe I could scoop it up and then I'm gonna do that. The unconventional means of Miss Michelle. Yeah, I don't like all that green. I was considering not putting it in at all. All right, let's just pour another little, whoa, Wilbur, little tiny cup here. And see what happens. We can switch it up. Of course we can. No more green. All right, that's enough green. How to change it up right in the middle. Okay. Oh well. Hey, it's been a while since I've painted, so I'm not complaining. Let's see what we can get out of this. So I'm going to just dip my palette knife in here and do one great big smear across. Ooh, that's pretty. Gonna have to balance it down here. Nope, I don't like it. I can't believe I'm going to do this. paper towel. Wet them and do a swipe halfway across. I've never tried anything like this before. Just dampening the paper towel, putting it into the gold, which is hardly any left. I'm going to swipe right across from here. Whoops. Well, it decided for me. Oh, that did absolutely nothing. Well, we'll see in a minute. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, I need to bring it more over. Whoopsie. Keep going. I took all the paint off of it. Ooh. Now that's interesting. Oh my Lanta. And now I'm liking it. Are you kidding me? How did I do that? Okay. Very interesting. I'm going to do more over here. Holy crap. Now I'm getting interested. You guys still with me? You never know. It looks like a sky. And then this could be like a mountainside. Trees. Oh, I'm liking it. Now we're having fun. Oh, geez. I can't get it all in. All right, guys. So, way up on my ladder. Yeah. I didn't clean up around it. I should have, just for taping, but it's really kind of hard to see. You know what? I might do this another time. But I got a landscape. Way too cool. Totally unexpected. Love the colors, love the composition, love all the shimmer. Kind of Gail inspired. Don't drop the phone. So, yeah, I kept it kind of minimalist, and I just little tiny pops of color. And I did want to leave that lacing sparse there. So it looks like kind of like a mountainscape. Trees. Yeah. I am pretty happy with it. Oh gosh, I can't even get it all in. All right, guys. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now. Hey guys, it's Michelle. I'm back. Well, I don't think I'm quite finished with this one. This is completely dry. It's been sitting for almost a week.